Hi everyone, Dave here. Today I have a pair of these LiTime 100 amp hour LiFePo4 batteries on my workbench. These were kindly sent by LiTime for review and evaluation. I do not get any commissions for doing product reviews. I do not accept commissions. I'm just going to put these batteries through their paces. I'm going to verify they actually do have 100 amp hour each, and I'm going to report the results. And I will show you the specific project or projects that these batteries will be used in. On the back of the battery there's some cautionary information and service information, service@litime.com. Okay, let's take a look at LiTime's website. As you can see, they are targeting the golf carts, RVs, off-grid, boating, things like that. And let's look at the specific page for their 100 amp hour standard battery, which would be right here. It says that they use grade A LiFePo cells, so very good, 4,000 cycles, 100% depth of discharge. Of course, my batteries generally don't go to 100%, so they last longer. They should last longer. BMS protection, 1.28 kilowatt hours of energy, 24.25 pounds, and it's a Group 31 size battery, so a standard size. And it says right here, note, this 100 amp hour battery is suitable for energy storage rather than startup. And that means that you should not try to use these types of batteries as a starter battery. They were never intended for that. I do see people trying to do that, but it will damage the battery. It's intended for storage applications like off electrical grid, and maybe a trolling motor would be a good use for it as well. And it says here it has a 5-year warranty. Very good. Free returns. Okay, let's put these batteries through their paces and let's see how they perform. Alright, there's the bench test setup for the LiTime 100 amp hour times 2 LiFePo4 batteries. Same 1200 watt inverter. And I've got the amp meter here, or battery meter, to keep track of the capacity in amp hours. And I've got my Make Sky Blue charge controller with 4 100 watt solar panels and a voltmeter. And a clamp meter just in case I need it. Okay, the charging has started. Now I'm just going to wait for the batteries to be completely full. That's going to take quite a while as these are pretty large batteries. Once they are full, I'll then start a deep cycle discharge test to verify that they have the labeled amp hours. It's time for the deep discharge cycle tests of the LiTime 100 amp hour batteries. Everything is ready to go. The batteries are full. I just got done charging them, and now I'm going to switch on my inverter and start the test. The LiTime LiFePo4 100 amp hour batteries have passed the discharge deep cycle test. They both have an excess of 100 amp hours of capacity in them. I don't need to run them down all the way flat. The LiTime 100 amp hour batteries have passed the test. Very good. These LiTime batteries did pretty well in the initial testing. I wired them into the off-electrical grid power system in my solar workshop and further stressed them running various appliances in and around the shop, including LED lights, shop dust filter, and an air conditioner. At no time in the testing did I encounter any problem or deficiency with their performance, so I can recommend these LiTime 100 amp hour batteries. To avoid bias, I do not receive commissions from product review sales. If you'd like to purchase batteries from LiTime, the manufacturer provided product links are in the description. Thanks to LiTime for providing the samples, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.